Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing your house, only to find streaks, dust, and grime staring right back at you? Stick around, because I am about to reveal the ultimate cleaning arsenal that will transform your home from a mess to an absolute masterpiece in half the time. Let's count down from number 7 to the ultimate must-have tool. 7. Windex Glass and Window Cleaner Spray. When you think of cleaning windows, the iconic blue liquid of Windex is probably the very first thing that pops into your mind. It has been a household staple for decades, promising to leave glass surfaces gleaming and brilliantly clear with just a few quick sprays. The packaging is immediately recognizable, and the brand has built a massive reputation around being the go-to solution for anything related to glass, mirrors, and reflective surfaces in the home. The feature list for this original Windex formula heavily markets its streak-free shine technology and its ability to cut through smudges, fingerprints, and light grime. It comes in a recycled plastic bottle with an easy grip trigger designed to distribute a wide, even nest of the blue formula. The product is also formulated with ammonia, which is traditionally known for its fast-drying properties and its ability to break down greasy residue on hard surfaces. During my testing, I took this spray to every reflective surface I could find, from toothpaste-splattered bathroom mirrors to greasy glass dining tables and large sliding patio doors. It applies easily, and for very light, everyday dusting on indoor mirrors, it certainly gets the job done quickly. You spray it on, grab a paper towel, and wipe away the immediate surface layer of dust without much elbow grease required. However, the famous streak-free claim seriously falls apart when you put it to a rigorous test, especially on exterior windows or anything hit by direct sunlight. I found myself having to wipe the same window 3 or 4 times to chase away the hazy, cloudy streaks left behind as the liquid dried. 6. Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch Scrub Sponges. These distinctive blue sponges are virtually ubiquitous in kitchen sink caddies across the globe, explicitly designed to bridge the gap between gentle wiping and aggressive scrubbing. The core promise here is that you can tackle baked-on food messes without ruining your expensive cookware in the process. The main feature of this sponge is its dual-sided construction, boasting a soft, absorbent cellulose sponge on one side and a textured, non-scratch scouring pad on the other. It also features a unique, wavy, ergonomic shape that is meant to fit comfortably in your hand, giving you better leverage when you need to press down hard on stubborn, sticky stains. The manufacturer heavily emphasizes that these are completely safe for non-stick pans, glass stovetops, and delicate porcelain. I put these sponges to work against some of the most stubborn kitchen disasters I could whip up, including baked-on cheese, dried pasta sauce, and greasy breakfast skillets. For the first few uses, the scouring side genuinely performs well, gently lifting away crusted food from my favorite non-stick frying pans without leaving a single scratch behind. The sponge side also holds dish soap nicely, creating a rich lather that makes quickly washing standard dinner plates a breeze. Unfortunately, the durability of these sponges leaves a lot to be desired, and the degradation happens remarkably fast. After just about a week of heavy daily dishwashing, the blue scrub side began to pill, fray, and detach from the soft sponge base, completely losing its abrasive effectiveness. Even worse, the cellulose material traps food particles and moisture relentlessly, leading to that dreaded sour, dirty sponge odor almost immediately, even when I meticulously rinsed and wrung it out after every single use. 5. JohnBee Empty Spray Bottles. Taking control of what you are actually spraying around your family and pets is becoming increasingly important, and keeping a set of high-quality, reliable empty spray bottles is the foundation of creating your own customized, effective cleaning arsenal. These specific bottles offer a generous 16-ounce capacity, which is the perfect sweet spot. Large enough that you aren't constantly refilling them, but compact enough that they do not feel incredibly heavy and cumbersome when fully loaded. They feature a highly durable, chemical-resistant plastic body and an adjustable nozzle that allows you to seamlessly switch between a fine, wide-reaching mist and a concentrated, powerful stream, depending on the cleaning task at hand. I extensively tested these bottles by mixing up various DIY cleaning solutions, including heavily diluted dish soap for countertops, a pungent water and vinegar mix for glass, and even a heavily concentrated bleach solution for bathroom tile grout. They handled every single liquid consistency beautifully without any of the sputtering, clogging, or leaking that usually plagues cheap dollar store spray bottles. The real standout feature during my testing was the ergonomics and the robust feel of the trigger mechanism. The trigger pull is incredibly smooth and springy, preventing the hand fatigue that often comes with prolonged cleaning sessions, and the tight seal around the neck ensured that absolutely nothing leaked onto my fingers, even when I tilted the bottle completely upside down to spray underneath a toilet rim. These JohnBee spray bottles are a massive step up from the flimsy plastics we are used to dealing with. 4. Bamllum Rubber Kitchen Dishwashing Gloves. True cleaning often requires exposing your hands to scalding hot water, harsh chemical agents, and nasty grime, which can leave your skin incredibly dry, cracked, and irritated. A high-quality pair of protective gloves is not just an accessory, it is an absolute necessity for anyone serious about maintaining a sparkling home. These gloves are crafted from a thick, durable, yet highly flexible latex material, designed specifically to offer superior barrier protection without completely sacrificing your tactile sensitivity. They feature an aggressively textured non-slit grip pattern on the palms and fingers, along with extended, elongated cuffs that are designed to travel far up your forearms to prevent water from splashing inside the glove. I put these gloves through a grueling gauntlet of chores, including washing razor-sharp chef's knives in a sink full of soapy water, scrubbing out a heavily soiled bathtub with aggressive bleach-based foam, and wringing out dirty mop heads. The textured grip is nothing short of fantastic. I was able to securely hold onto slick, soapy glassware and heavy ceramic mixing bowls without a single slip or fear of dropping anything. What impressed me the most was the sheer comfort and thermal protection these gloves provided. I was able to turn my kitchen faucet up to temperatures that would normally scald bare skin, allowing the hot water to effortlessly melt away bacon grease on my pans, while my hands remained completely comfortable and perfectly dry inside. They fit snugly enough to give me precise control over sponges and brushes, yet they are remarkably easy to slide on and off. The Bamllum rubber gloves are a total game changer for personal comfort and safety during intense cleaning sessions. 3. HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. If you are still relying entirely on expensive, wasteful paper towels or old, frayed cotton t-shirts to wipe down your surfaces, you are severely limiting your cleaning potential. Microfiber technology has completely revolutionized the way professionals clean, and bringing it into your home is an immediate, noticeable upgrade. These cloths are engineered with thousands of microscopic fibers per square inch, designed to literally trap and lock away dirt, dust, and liquid rather than just pushing it around the surface. The HOMEXCEL pack comes with an assortment of vibrant colors, which is a brilliant feature that allows you to easily color code your cleaning routine. For instance, reserving yellow for the bathroom and blue for the kitchen to entirely prevent dangerous cross-contamination. My testing of these microfiber cloths covered every conceivable surface in a modern home. I used them completely dry to aggressively dust intricate wooden bookshelves and entertainment centers, and I used them slightly damp to aggressively buff away sticky fingerprints from stainless steel refrigerator doors. I also threw them on top of massive liquid spills on the kitchen floor to test their maximum absorption capacity. The performance of these cloths is genuinely astonishing. They act like a powerful magnet for pet hair, lint, and dust particles, leaving behind a perfectly polished surface with just a single pass. When wiping down mirrors and windows with just a tiny mist of water, they left absolutely zero lint or streaks behind, completely solving the frustrating issues I experienced earlier with traditional sprays and paper towels. Plus, after washing them in the laundry, they came out looking and feeling completely brand new. The HOMEXCEL microfiber cloths are overwhelmingly superior to traditional cleaning rags in every single measurable way. 2. BISSELL Featherweight Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. Lugging a massive, heavy, corded, upright vacuum out of the closet just to clean up a spilled bowl of cereal or a few dust bunnies is a massive chore that nobody enjoys. Having a lightweight, highly maneuverable stick vacuum completely changes the dynamic of daily floor maintenance, making it fast, effortless, and highly approachable. The Featherweight is defined by its ultra-compact, stripped down design, weighing in at an incredibly light footprint that anyone can carry up and down stairs with a single hand. It features a straightforward bagless dirt cup that eliminates the need to constantly buy replacement bags, and it remarkably converts from a standard floor stick vacuum into a handheld vacuum, complete with a specialized crevice tool for tight spaces. During my testing phase, I ran this vacuum over hard laminate flooring, low-pile entryway rugs, and heavily trafficked, carpeted stairs. I also utilized the handheld conversion to aggressively detail the crumbs out of my sofa cushions and tackle the stubborn pet hair accumulating on my fabric car seats. Despite its incredibly small size and surprisingly low price point, the motor delivers a highly satisfying, consistent level of suction. I was genuinely blown away by how effectively it picked up daily debris. It seamlessly devoured large dry cat food pieces, fine baking flour, and endless amounts of dust without simply scattering it across the hard floors like many cheaper stick vacuums do. Emptying the dust cup is an absolute breeze. Just a quick snap, a dump into the trash can, and you are immediately ready to keep cleaning. The handheld mode paired with the crevice tool made cleaning the notoriously difficult edges of the stairs an incredibly fast process. One, O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. Mopping floors has historically been the most dreaded, back-breaking, and disgusting household chore, involving sloshing around dirty water and forcefully wringing out filthy mop heads with your bare hands. This ingenious system has completely eradicated all of those painful pain points. The core feature of this system is the heavily engineered bucket, which contains a built-in wringer activated by a high-quality hands-free foot pedal. The mop itself features a highly absorbent, machine-washable microfiber head shaped into a unique triangle, attached to a telescopic handle that easily adjusts to your specific height. It is specifically designed to give you total control over the moisture level of your mop, making it entirely safe for delicate surfaces like natural hardwood. I put this mop to the ultimate test against muddy dog paw prints on kitchen tile, sticky soda spills on laminate, and general dusty buildup on premium hardwood floors. The triangle design of the mop head is absolute genius, allowing me to effortlessly slide deep into tight 90-degree corners and flush against baseboards where round mops totally fail to reach. The microscopic fibers aggressively scrubbed away the dried-on mud with barely any downward pressure required from me. The true magic, however, lies in that incredibly satisfying foot pedal wringing mechanism. By simply placing the wet mop into the wringer and stepping on the pedal a few times, centrifugal force violently spins the water out. I was able to dial in the exact level of dampness I needed, leaving it slightly wetter for sticky tile messes and spinning it almost completely dry to gently polish my water-sensitive hardwood floors without leaving any damaging puddles behind. I never once had to touch a dirty mop head.